Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into Apple's brand new iPhone 18 Pro Max, the next generation flagship that's redefining what a smartphone can be. From its futuristic design to its insanely powerful AI features, Apple has taken a massive leap forward this year. So if you're planning to upgrade, or you just want to know what Apple is cooking for the future, this video is packed with all the details, new upgrades, hidden features, camera improvements, performance boosts, battery changes, pricing, and everything else you need to know. Let's get started. The iPhone 18 Pro Max brings a fresh, ultra-premium design update. Apple has shifted to a new liquid titanium frame, making the phone stronger, lighter, and more resistant to bending and scratches. The bezels are now even thinner, giving you a nearly edge-to-edge full-screen experience. The back features a matte glass with nano coating, reducing fingerprints and increasing durability. The device comes in stunning new colors: titanium black, midnight blue, natural silver, sunset gold, and for the first time, Apple introduced a special edition color, Aurora White, which changes shades under different lighting. The display gets a massive upgrade. Apple introduces the Promotion XDR Infinity Display, a 6.9-inch panel with 4,000 nits peak brightness, adaptive 1 Hz to 240 Hz refresh rate, better outdoor visibility, improved blue light reduction for eye comfort. The biggest highlight is Apple's new under-display dynamic island. Yes, the dynamic island disappears completely when not needed, giving you a completely uninterrupted screen. Watching movies, gaming, scrolling, everything feels smoother and more immersive. Inside the iPhone 18 Pro Max is Apple's most powerful processor yet, the A20 Pro Bionic chip. This chip comes with 4nm architecture, new hexacore AI engine, 35% faster CPU performance, 50% better graphics processing, massive improvements in energy efficiency. Gaming is on another level: smoother frame rates, no heating issues, and better battery optimization. Apple is also pushing AI capabilities hard this year. The A20 Pro introduces Apple Intelligence 2.0, enabling real-time photo editing, live audio translation, offline Siri processing, and much faster app responses. This year, the iPhone 18 Pro Max introduces quad camera system. Here's what you get. For 8MP main sensor, new Gen 3 sensor, improved low light performance and 30% more detail. For 8MP ultra-wide lens, sharper edges, wider field of view, and distortion-free shots. 12MP periscope telephoto lens, up to 15x optical zoom. Massive jump from previous years. Images remain clear even at long distances. New 3D depth lens, used for portrait accuracy, AR apps, and improved video stabilization. Cinematic mode 8K. For the first time, Apple supports 8K 60fps cinematic video. Your videos now look like actual film-grade footage. AI photo retouching. Apple Intelligence automatically removes reflections, shadows, unwanted objects, all with a single tap. The selfie shooter gets a major improvement. 2MP front camera, better skin tones, enhanced low-light selfies, 4K 120fps slow-motion video. Face ID is now 2x faster and works from more angles, including when the phone is lying flat on a table. Apple introduces a 5,000 mAh battery, the largest ever in an iPhone. Combined with the efficient A20 chip, the battery now lasts up to 32 hours of video playback, up to 18 hours of continuous streaming. Charging upgrades include 65 West Fast wired charging, 35W MagSafe charging, reverse wireless charging for AirPods and Apple Watch, and the new battery health AI learns your usage pattern to extend battery lifespan. The iPhone 18 Pro Max comes with 12GB RAM standard, storage options from 256GB to 2TB. Faster NVMe storage ensures quicker file handling and video rendering. Running on iOS 20, this iPhone brings some impressive new features. Apple Intelligence 2.0, AI summaries, AI wallpapers, smart call transcripts, autophoto movie generation, Siri 4.0 smarter than ever. Siri now performs tasks offline, understands natural conversations, and can edit photos or send detailed messages using voice only. Smart Widgets 2.0. Widgets now respond dynamically based on location, time, and activity. New connectivity upgrades include 6G readiness support, Wi-Fi 8 technology, BLUETOOTH 6.2, improved satellite connectivity for emergency SOS, ultra-wideband Gen 4 for more accurate device tracking. Apple introduces Face ID Ultra, Voice ID Unlock, better privacy filters for apps, on-device AI for all personal data, no cloud processing, everything stays on your device. Expected pricing, 256 gigabytes, $1,199, 512 gigabytes, $1,399, 1 terabyte, $1,599, 2 terabytes, $1,799. The iPhone 18 Pro Max stands out because it brings a brand new quad camera system, under-display dynamic island, faster A20 Pro chip, bigger battery, smarter AI features, higher zoom and 8K video, stronger titanium frame, 6.5W fast charging. No other iPhone has ever delivered this combination of power, design, and intelligence. So that was everything you need to know about the new iPhone 18 Pro Max, Apple's biggest upgrade in years. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing tech content. Tell me in the comments, are you upgrading to the iPhone 18 Pro Max or waiting for the next model? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.